Filmora versus VSDC free video editors. Choosing the right free video editing software can completely change how you create polished videos without complex setups. Filmora offers simplicity and effects, while VSDC focuses on powerful features and flexibility. Filmora and VSDC are popular free video editors with distinct approaches. Filmora emphasizes an intuitive interface and ready-made effects, making editing easy. VSDC provides an advanced, non-linear timeline and more technical control, appealing to users who want deeper customization. Filmora is a user-friendly video editor designed for quick, creative projects. It works by offering drag-and-drop functionality combined with a clean interface, allowing users to add transitions, filters, and titles effortlessly. Its strengths lie in simplicity, a rich library of built-in effects, and smooth performance on both Windows and Mac. Filmora's AI tools also help automate tasks like background removal and audio enhancement. However, the free version adds a watermark to exports and limits some advanced features. It's ideal for beginners and casual creators who want to produce engaging videos without a steep learning curve. Filmora's presets and templates speed up workflow, but users seeking detailed control over every edit might find it limiting. Overall, Filmora balances ease of use with creative options, making it perfect for vloggers, educators, and social media content creators who prioritize speed and style. VSDC is a free, Windows-only video editor built for users who want extensive control without cost. It operates with a non-linear timeline supporting multiple video and audio tracks, and offers advanced features like color correction, masking, and motion tracking. Its strength is the depth of tools available, rivaling many paid editors, while still being accessible for free. VSDC supports a wide range of formats and allows export in various resolutions, including 4K. The interface is more complex than Filmora's, which can present a learning curve, especially for beginners. Some users report that VSDC's performance may slow on older hardware due to its feature set. It's best suited for intermediate to advanced users who want to fine-tune every aspect of their video projects without investing in software. VSDC is ideal for hobbyists, educators, and small business owners who require professional-grade tools and are willing to spend time learning the interface. Filmora and VSDC cater to different editing needs. Filmora excels in ease of use and quick creative output, perfect for social media videos or simple projects where time and simplicity matter. VSDC shines when you need advanced editing features like motion tracking or detailed color grading, making it suitable for more complex projects. Filmora's free version watermark can be a drawback, while VSDC offers watermark-free exports, but only on Windows. Performance-wise, Filmora runs smoothly on most systems, whereas VSDC may require more powerful hardware. Choosing between them depends on your priorities. If you want a straightforward, visually appealing editor, Filmora fits best. If you need technical depth and don't mind a learning curve, VSDC stands out. Both are strong free options, but your workflow and project complexity will determine the better fit. Filmora is recommended for beginners and content creators who want fast, stylish video editing with easy tools and plenty of creative effects. VSDC is ideal for users seeking a free editor with advanced features and detailed control, especially on Windows. Choose VSDC if you're ready to invest time learning and want professional level tools without a price tag. Both editors deliver great value depending on your needs.